Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be learning how to make this trendy puffy draped sleeve. This tutorial is simple and straight to the point. Please do well to watch to the end of the video. I'll be making use of velvet fabric for this sleeve. Now for the width of this sleeve, I'll be working with 21 inches. 21 inches for the width, then 21 inches for the length as well. The width of your sleeve can be longer, the length can be longer as well, depending on how full you want yours or your size. If you're on a bigger size, your width should be longer than 21. So now I'll fold this into 2, then I'm going to divide my 21 into 2. Then I'm just going to make a mark here, then come up at this point by 3 inch. I'll make a mark at that 3 inch. Now I'm going to curve it to meet this point, just like this. I'm just going to curve it. I'm going to cut this out. Then at this top area, I'm going to go in by 1.5 inch. I'll make a mark at 1.5 inch. Now I'm just going to curve it. That 1.5 inch is just a guide. I'm going to curve it to meet this other point at this down area. Now once I'm done with that, I'll cut this out. After cutting it out, I'm going to open it up now. This is what we have. This is just for one sleeve. The next thing right now is to hem this down part. This bottom part, I'm going to hem it. I'll just fold this in and then use the hemming gum to secure it. This is it after I've secured it with the hemming gum. The next thing is to now pleat this. Now I'm going to pleat this. And when pleating, I'll pleat upwards. But before I pleat this, I need to pleat this with the measurement. So I'm going to bring in the blouse I'll be attaching this sleeve to. Now I'm going to take a measurement of the neckline, not the armhole line, but the neckline. Now starting from the shoulder joining to the back, where to the point of the zip, where the zip started, what he gave me was 5 inches. Okay, so now I'm going to take this 5 inches. I'm going to consider this 5 inches when pleating. So now I'm going to pleat. I'll just pick this point this way and I'm going to pleat upwards. I've already notched the upper area, as you can see. So now I'm just going to pleat this. I'll make sure my pleat stops at 5 inches. And when pleating, pleat upwards. And once I was done pleating, I was just going to cross check it to make sure that it's that 5 inches that I have at my neckline. I will do the same thing for this other side. I'm going to pleat just like this upwards. And I'm going to secure it. I'll take this to the sewing machine. I'm going to secure this. I've gone ahead to do that. And I also ironed it out a little. This is it. Here's what we have. The drape is already there, as you can see. The next thing we'll be doing right now is to attach this to the blouse. Right now, I'm going to pick this sleeve now. Then I'm going to attach it to the neckline, not the armhole, but the neckline. Now I'm going to take this right side facing right side, starting from the shoulder line this way. No, rather right side of the sleeve facing the wrong side of the blouse, just like this. Then I'm just going to sew. I'm just going to secure this. I've gone ahead to do this. The right side of the sleeve faces the back of the neckline, and this is what we have. the drape is already showing. I'll just go ahead now to attach the other sleeve. And this is the finished look. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, leave me a comment. See you all in the next one. Bye.